Welcome everyone to QUOC channel. Today I want to review for you a solution for covering PVC veneer on the surface of panel doors or on detail provides curved wood. It is a 3D version press machine SMEL 3000V. This machine QUOC has just handled the operating instruction to the customer. This operating principle is machine section and hitting with a resistor bar. It is the work surface of the machine. The side of the tabletop is also the side of the workpiece that can be pressed. The length 3200 mm and the width 1300 mm. But depending on customer requirement, QUOC will design a larger or smaller table suitable with QUOC side. Above is a cover sheet with a roll rubber. After closing it, combined with the suction, it will set the sheet onto the surface of the part. Above is a wide cover sheet with heating resistor bar to heat the glue during the pressing process. Regarding the component below the machine, including the pressure tank and pressure pump. To finish pressing a part is simple. For example, this part, we just need to run a layer of glue onto the surface. Go inside like this. We need to prepare the workpiece to keep the inner core from the suction process. High machine pressure suction will bend the part and place a layer of plank underneath to ensure cover on the arm of the part. Here, the customer is using wood mango to cover, then apply a layer of film to the surface of the part. Cover the rubber, adjust the machine pressure, pressing time and temperature, turn on the machine, then close the cover. And this is the product after pressing. Above is all the information about the SMEL 3000V 3D version pressing machine. If you need further advice, you can contact us immediately via hotline 0903 600 113. For now, hello and see you again at the next video.